Cheugy means, which are you, a cool person or a chug? It is claimed that the year 2013 was the year in which the word uncool first appeared. This word is used to describe items that are either out of style or trying too hard to be in style. According to a reporter for the New York Times named Taylor Lorenz, a woman named Gabby Rasson from California first used the term cheugy to characterize those who attempt to be fashionable but fail. In the year 2021, a video that went viral on TikTok helped bring the phrase to a wider audience. On TikTok, the hashtag Cheugy got more than 10 million views by the month of May 2021. Cheuginess and cheuginess are two noun forms of the word, and a person who is considered to be cheugy is frequently referred to as a chug. Cheuginess is another form of the noun. Caution is advised because slang evolves quickly, and some people may consider the term cheugy to already be slang.